Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the Dexter 10,000 pound electric brake trailer axle. Let's dive into it. All right, so this is the Dexter 10,000 pound electric brake axle. We'll just look at it all real quick. So right off the bat, you can see it has the new style aluminum oil caps on it. They call them the Fortress aluminum oil caps, and they actually bolt in like a semi would instead of screw in now. You can fill the oil up by taking off this plug right here, or it has the quick fill right here. It comes with the 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, so 8 lug, 6.5 inches, so 6.5 inches from center of one stud to center of the other stud straight across. And it also has the tension ring like the Carter axles would. So you put this tension ring on the outside of your wheels, and that holds it in place securely, similar to what a swivel flange nut would do. And it has the 25580 outer bearing and the 387A inner bearing with the 10-51 oil seal, 12 1/4 by 3 3/8 self-adjusting brakes on it. It has the 7-hole backing plate mounting flange right here, like the Carter axles and Lippert axles would have. So it's all standard. It has the 5-leaf, 2.5 inch wide springs on it with the 3/4 inch bolt hole, standard for all the Carter, Dexter, and Lippert axles. And it has the 5-inch diameter tube on it, and it's painted black, so do expect little rust here and there if you get one from us, because they are just painted. But hey, it's going to be underneath the trailer, you know. So, and we carry these in a variety of options, variety of lengths. Yeah, Dexter's the #1 brand in America. Everybody knows that name, so no questions there. Been around for I don't even know how long, a very long time. So you know it's going to be a good axle. And if you're in the market for any of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.